Hello everyone, this is Ayush R from IIT Madras, and today we are with our new topic, that is types of electromagnetic waves. Types of electromagnetic waves. So there are several types of electromagnetic waves. Mainly these are through mnemonics. We are studying through mnemonics: cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, that are UV rays, visible spectrum, infrared radiation, microwaves and radio waves. Many types of radiations are there. Infrared radiation is always also present in these types of radiations. So firstly studying about cosmic rays. So the mnemonics is: कौन गया XUV वाला, इन्होंने मुझे रुलाया. कौन गया XUV वाला, इन्होंने मुझे रुलाया. कौन गया XUV वाला, इन्होंने मुझे रुलाया. These are placed on the basis of increasing of wavelength, increasing of frequencies, increasing order of frequencies. Cosmic rays have much frequency than gamma rays. Cosmic rays have much and more frequency than that of gamma rays. Gamma rays are having more frequency than that of X-rays. In comparison with UV rays, X-rays are having more frequency than ultraviolet rays. In comparison with visible spectrum is having less frequency than that of UV rays. Again, frequency of visible spectrum is much more than infrared radiations. Again, infrared radiations are having much and more frequency than microwaves, and microwaves at the last having much and more frequency than that of radio waves. But while comparing with frequencies and wavelengths, so frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength. So whenever the frequency is high, the wavelength will be less. So here cosmic rays are having high frequency and lower wavelength. Lowest wavelength is of cosmic rays. Cosmic rays are mainly present in the outer space. In the space we explore about cosmic rays, cosmology. The scientists who study about cosmology are known as cosmologists. But these cosmic rays are only present in space, having lower wavelengths and higher frequencies. Since we know energy is equal to h times nu through the Planck's quantum theory, energy is equal to h times nu. So the nu is highest in cosmic rays, frequency is highest in cosmic rays. So the energy will also be highest in cosmic rays. The highest energy of all is present in cosmic rays, then in gamma rays, then energy is in X-rays, highest of all energies in the increasing orders. Energies are also in increasing orders. Energy and frequency both are in increasing orders, and wavelength in decreasing orders. Highest wavelength is of radio waves. Radio waves are having the highest wavelength of all. Radio waves are having the highest wavelength of all, while microwaves are having second highest wavelength. Second highest wavelength is from microwaves, and here the frequency is minimum. Radio waves are having the minimum frequency. Minimum value of nu is in radio waves. Since radio waves can propagate transversely from one place to another place very frequently, as they are having their lengths much and very much, so their energy is very low, frequency is also low, but the wavelength is highest among all waves. On the second number, microwaves are having generally highest of all wavelengths, then visible spectrum, then ultraviolet radiations, then X-rays, then gamma rays, then cosmic rays. So cosmic rays is having the lowest of all wavelengths. In comparison with radio waves, cosmic rays is having the highest number of frequency but the lowest number of wavelengths, while the radio wave is having highest number of wavelengths and lowest number of frequency. Since nu is inversely proportional to lambda, these expressions are proved. Again the mnemonics is कौन गया XUV वाला, इन्होंने मुझे रुलाया. ओके, कॉस्मिक रेस, गामा रेस, एक्स रेस, अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस, यूवी रेस, that is the UV rays, visible spectrum, infrared radiations, microwaves and radio waves. These are in the ascending order of their frequency and energy. Ascending order of their frequency and energy.